Today for math, we are going to play a math game. I call it a family math game because A, it's suitable for the whole family, and B, we're going to work with our fact families. What are fact families? Those are the corresponding sister operations for each operation. So plus and minus, multiplication and division, right? Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. This is suitable for ages 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 4th grade. You need a deck of cards. You need something to write with and something to write on. We have a whiteboard and whiteboard markers. You can use a pencil and a notebook, pen and a notebook, chalkboard. You could do this outside on the pavement with chalk if you have that. Anything you want. You need counters are optional, like pennies or buttons or cubes or whatever. Here's the rules of the game. Youngest goes first. The youngest person is going to flip 2 cards and add them. So for example, if I pulled a 7 and a 2, I would say 7 plus 2 equals 9. I would write on my whiteboard, 7 plus 2 equals 9. If you're a 2nd grader, you would write 7 plus 2 equals 9, and then show the subtraction fact families that go with it. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. If you're a 3rd grader, you would flip those 2 cards. Say you got 7 and 2. You're going to multiply. 7 times 2 equals 14. And then if you're a 4th grader, what I would expect you to do is tell me that 14 divided by 7 equals 2, and 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So today we're going to be playing with a 1st grader and a 3rd grader. So you're going to see flipping 2 cards and adding them, and you're going to see flipping 2 cards. Okay, so Cole and Wyatt are going to play the family math game. So as you can see, they each have something to write on, something to write with, and there's a deck of cards between them. Being as the youngest goes first, Cole is going to flip 2 cards for Wyatt, and Wyatt's going to add them up. Cole, you please flip 2 cards for Wyatt. All right, what cards did you get, Wyatt?
I got a 9 and I got a 3.
A 9 and a 3. All right, so what are you going to do with the 9 and the 3? You have to add them.
I'm going to add them.
All right, what do you get when you add 9 plus 3?
I get 12.
Can you write down the equation, please?
Oh, that one doesn't work.
So it doesn't work?
No.
Just get another one.
Let me just make sure this one works. Doesn't work so good, but I guess.
So now, Wyatt, can you hold it up for the screen, please?
This handwriting is so good. Mine's terrible.
Move this way a little. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Wyatt, what was your thinking? Can you explain your thinking on how you solved that problem?
Well, I know 9 plus 1 equals 10, so plus 2 more equals 12.
Very good thinking. Nice work. Okay, you can put your board down. You can set your cards off to the side, and now you can deal 2 cards for your brother. So Cole is a 3rd grader, so he's going to use multiplication today. So let's see.
11 times 5 equals 50.
So how's that 11? I see a jack. What do you mean there? Jack's 11?
Yeah, just 11.
So it's queen, what's queen?
12.
And then king is?
13.
And then what's ace?
1.
Okay, great. So what do you got? 5 times 11?
Yeah.
Do you know the answer to that?
Yes, 55.
All right, write down your equation. Excellent. Can you show the screen? And what's your thinking on that? How did you know 11 times 5 equals 55?
Well, I mean, I actually knew it because one time I did this multiplication tournament with my class, and when I did it, I lost with this multiplication fact, so I memorized it.
Great, so you remembered it from there. Excellent. Wyatt, can you show us the opposite way of that? Can you tell me what 12 minus 3 equals?
12 minus 3 equals
So that's what you do. If you were a second grader, I would want you to write 12 minus 3 equals 9. Okay? Alright guys, you can keep playing. Put those cards off to the side and Cole deal 2 more for Wyatt. So that's the family math game. Hopefully it works. These guys are going to keep playing that, and homeschooling is fun.